If you have small children at home and you need something to provide soft edges on tables, fireplaces, the edge of bookcases, then I highly recommend this Roving Cove Hefty-Fit Safe Edge. This is the 15-foot version with 4 corner pieces. As you can see, there's a corner piece already attached to this table, and it's on there really secure thanks to this 3M tape that comes with it. This long roll is for the rest of the edge, the 15-foot edge, that will connect up here to the corners and go the rest of the way around this wooden table. And so once we get this on, we can be assured that our child will have a great experience exploring around the room and just enjoying being in the space. And this is just a great idea for any home where there's small children. Makes a great gift, and also just provides a place where families can be together and children have the freedom to explore their space. And so again, I highly recommend this Hefty-Fit Safe Edge Roving Cove 15-foot material, and just has a great feel to it. It's very soft. So, and it fits all standard table sizes, so you don't need to worry about it not fitting your particular table or your particular place where you want to put it. So I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching my review.